Welcome back to Creating with Pui Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize this Canva football template. I'm telling you, this is amazing, amazing. I will show you how to change this all up into another color, okay? For instance, if your athletes, like the person you're making it for, your athletes, for instance, if they are other colors, they are a certain color, and you want to use this template to make a design for them for the football shirts and all that, I will show you how to do that right here in Canva. This template will help you save a lot of time. I'm telling you, it will save you a lot of time because the only thing you need to do is change the color, change the text, and change the pictures of the athletes. Okay, maybe logo also. That's the only thing you need to do. I will show you how to do all of that in this video. Okay, at the end of this video, I'll show you where you can get this template. And also I will leave the link in the description below. The first thing we're going to do, for instance, the first thing we're going to do, I will select something and then I go to position right here. Okay, and then I go to layers. And when I go to layers, I will see all the parts, all the layers of my template. You see them there? Everything that's here on this page are here separately. Okay, now you see that the background is 3 pieces that I've put together right here in Canva. Okay, let's say you have to create like a purple, like let's say like a purple let's say purple, let's say red, a red design, let's say red. So the thing you're going to do, you go here and you see the color here, you will select it. Okay, click on it, and then this will open, and then you will go and find the color red. Okay, red, and it's asking you if it has to change all the orange to red. I will say you can do that. Yeah, change all the orange to red. I have this orange here, so I'm not gonna do that. I will just go to this other one, the other red, because if I do that, it will change everything. The other page also, I'll change it to this red. I'll go back. Is that the red? No. I'll go back in position. Always go into position to see what you have in there. And I will click on this one and I'll make it red also. Okay, so I have that red. But look, but t-shirts, we don't you most of the time, my customers, I myself, I don't use this kind of red. I use this one, like a darker one. You can find it in here. You see, you can click on here and then you can go with this and try to find a color that the red that suits you, and then you can take it. Okay, so I will have this one like a darker red. Okay, and then I'll select these two here, go back to the red and choose it right here. You see that? Now we have all the red. Okay, or if you want to, you can go and choose them one by one and go back here, go in here and go in here and choose them one by one. Okay, now we have the red. I think I will make this one that red also. And it was this red. Okay, let's say it's red with let me find the color, blue. Red and blue. Okay, so this here will be blue. Let's say we go for the not the lions, the bears. Okay, or just bears. use capital letter. Let me use capital letters over here. Bears. Okay, bears. This right here, I found this in here. It's called Sports World. Okay, Sports World. For instance, if you're looking for college fonts like this, you need to put in here varsity. When you put varsity, all these college fonts will pop up, and then you can choose whichever you want. Bears. When you see that it has a white outline, that's the effect. Let's say you want to change the effect to, and I choose outline here. This is the thickness of the effect. If you want to change it to another color, for instance, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Black. It will be too dark. Okay, let's say black. And here will be, did I say blue? I think I'll choose white. Let me choose white. Okay. You see it's in an arch. It's in an arch. Let's go back to effects. When you go into effects and you scroll down, you will find the curve here. And here you can decide how, you see how round you want to curve it. You see that? Okay, I got it from here. Okay, so that's why I have it here. This we had red. Let's see it. Outline again. Effects. Outline. Let's make it black. I'm gonna make it white again. Let's stay white. Okay. Pragma. We're gonna change this too. Let's go inside. Let's go closer. I mean, you see it has two colors on the outline. That means we have to ungroup this thing. Let's see if it's already ungrouped. Oh yeah, it's already ungrouped. I made two. So this here we're going to turn it into white also. White. Okay. Let's see. No, let's go back. No. We're going to turn it into white. And the effect, let's go back. Always keep it selected. And the effect will be black. Okay. So this here, we want the outline to be red, but not this red. Let's go here and choose the red that we had, the dark one. And instead of green, we will make it also, we'll make it a red also. Right now, we're going to change the text here, red. Okay. So now we're going to drag this one and put it on top of here. You see, now we have this. So we go to position to see where they are together. They are here. Let's find them. They are here. So we're going to hold shift and select this one too and group them. Look, the group here, group them. So they are in one piece. They won't be moving around anymore. You see here, a group, they are one piece. So we can move them as one piece now. Okay, let's zoom out again. Okay, we changed bears, we changed the color here, we changed the color here. Let's change the name. Let's say the name of your customer is let's say Nathan, and here is, let's say James. Okay, Nathan James. Okay, Nathan James right here. Let's say you do not like this font, like this font here. You can go and change it. Just select it and go in here and change it. Really, go and change it up. Let me see. Let's see, we're gonna change it like this. Like Nathan, you want the Nathan to be in this one here. Okay. And the James, like you want it another way, you can change that also. Okay, let's bring these two here and let's change the colors. We will make them we'll make them white also. I'll go here and make it white, and the effect make it black. You can choose whatever color you want for it. Okay, and you can also make the effect thicker, like the outline. You can make them thicker. You see, like that, you can make them thicker. And the James part here, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, we're gonna change everything. Okay, James. I'll select James, I'll hold shift, and I'll select the off here also. Come on, off. Select the off here. Okay, let me work with this only. No, I'll go here and I'll make them red. Let's see that. Make them red. Milton James. I can duplicate it if I want to, like duplicate it. Oh, I'm duplicating something else. I want to duplicate the name James. Okay, I'll go back here and I'll make it black. And I'll go to the effects and I'll make the effects also black. And I will enlarge it. And then I will fit it on here. Go in position where you can see all those layers, and I'll drag it under here. Okay, so it's under here. Let me see. I need to go back in effects with this one and make this one, yeah, make it thinner so that the thick one on the background can be seen. Position again. So I have these two James. I will select this one, I'll hold shift, and I'll select this one. And then I will group it so it will be one piece. Okay, we have those already. Now we go back to position. Always go into position. The different parts that are in here, you see these here, like this here. I'm going to hold shift, select this one. We have both. We'll make them, let's see if we can make them white. They look good. Let's see if we make them black. I think we can make them white. Yeah, I think we can make them white. They will be fine when they're white. Okay, so these guys here, let me see if I can make them red. Let me see if I can make this guy red. Oh yes, I did. Okay, and I will click on this one. Come on, guy. This one. I'll click on this brown, this green, and I'll make it black. Okay. Now I'll click on this one again. Let's see if I make his green black. Okay. He is black for the black. Let me see red. Okay, it's fine. Somebody will send their pictures to you to make your own for you. If you're selling templates, learning how to make templates is something else. But with this one, your customer will send to you the color, the pictures of their athlete, and you will check the pictures out, the colors that are in the picture, and you will change the color, the background and everything else to that color. Okay. The bears. This guy is not a bear. I'm going to add a bear. No. And uploads. Let me see. I call them logo. Logo. Okay. Let me find my bear. Hopefully. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think I'm gonna use this guy. I'm going to remove the background. Like when your customer sends you the logo, you have to remove the background, okay? And then bring here, okay? And then we can try to change some of the colors. Let's see if we add black. I love the color. You see that? If we add red, it's too red. I think black will do. Yeah, I think black will do. So this guy here, we're going to remove this guy also. If you want, you can leave it like this, is up to you. But if you want to, you can bring this guy up in here. Okay. And go here and make them transparent. Okay. And go to position and drag it so that it can be behind everything. Okay. It should only be on top of the background, but it should be behind everything else. So here he is. Don't forget, this one is the one down there and this one is the transparent one. Drag him down until he reach here. You see, it's on top of, and then let him go. He can stay there, he's good there. So let's go back up. You see these things here? Let's see if we can change them. This is green and yellow. Let's see if we can change the green into black. It's not a good thing. The green into red. No. That means, okay, it's kind of pinkish here. We can delete them. If you don't need them there, just delete them. And then go in Canva Elements and look for I think we connected white. You see, white circle, lightning. I know what I'm looking for. See, let's see this one. Okay, let's check this out. I think I love it. I'm going to go here. Let's go up. And then we can flip it horizontally, vertically. Okay, I think it's awesome. Look at that. Then we can drag this one to this side. Okay, we have to send it behind the bear. Go here, and this one, it should go behind the bear. Yeah. Look how nice this is. Look how amazing this is. I love it. So let's go here in the grid view. So we went from this here to this here, right here. You see how you can change them? Let's go back in here. Let's go back in here. This guy needs to be, let's make him black and white. Black, okay, and white, okay. You see that? So this is how you can do it. Look how amazing this is. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment. Thank you. Bye.